Summer Sizzler. Hi, I'm Debbie. Ace producer drops dancehall juggling. Top new school DJs also on Yardie. But party animal toaster Charly Black in pole position.
If you notice in dancehall right now, even the older rhythms them, I run back the place same way.
New Juggling, Yardie, the latest one from Troyton. The producer tapping into what he calls authentic dancehall for a summer sizzler.
The game kind of changed in terms of the sound. I've been fighting for what is coming back now.
And roping in longtime pal and party animal toaster, Charly Black.
You know, that's like my brother that we toured together for over 2 years. Name it, all over the world that dancehall plays. So we have that chemistry together.
His track, you guessed it, She Love Yardie.
We have the formula and know what to do and how to do it. And a long time we don't really have a single.
Bubble for me, girl, bubble for me. Bubble. Take your time and bubble for me. Bubble. Pass the back with your hand on your knee.
Just transform females back into the real world of dancehall. Where everybody have to watch females that dance now. It's raunchy, it's raw, it's everything what dancehall is missing.
Girl say she fly spaceship, cause she astronaut. She want go here just to sit down and talk. She want little bit of this and little bit of that.
Charly Black have the biggest song in the dancehall space right now. I think he just always sing for the ladies, that happy sound, happy. And that is very important with our music. Once you hear it, you have a vibe, you start bouncing. You know, it just puts you in a different mood.
Hey, girl, cock up your bumper, back it up and the market choke ya. You think I know me, know you want walk ya. Dancehall in your structure.
Troyton is one of the men that really fight for dancehall, the authenticity of the sound.
So you think a corner has been turned? Because we heard that the kids weren't working with old school producers like you.
Yes, that's true. That big bunks came, I kind of helped to change that. Because I tried to get a lot of them on my authentic sound, and they would tell me that they can't DJ on that sound. They can't DJ on it. And I would play different phrases and send it back, and they still just can't find a song on the beat.
Ain't like tape when you move up the body like it. You know, full of ear bumps in a weird night.
99% of what they were doing wasn't going overseas. Now put away the Skilly Bang. He's in a different class. There's something about him. He was like a big rap star. But most of the others weren't going anywhere beyond maybe the Caribbean. They are DJing on dancehall sounds now. So I think the game is really rapidly changing. And right now we have Nigeria on it, and Roger Wild is about to jump on this project, and I'm telling you, it's gonna kill the place.
Say she love Yardie, cause we article, we full of vibes, plus me know if we talk to girl.
The old school never lose.
There must be a middle ground where the two schools can meet.
On the dance floor, and it's already doing it.
She not done yet. Wednesday after work, jamming at the parking lot. She a make a reservation for Thursday.
Jamaica is the culture, Jamaica is everything. Yes, so when everybody a look on for music. Every star in the world have to look to dancehall, have to look to Jamaica. So why are we not paying attention to our culture? Why we not talk so much like a Yankee? Keep the culture alive, that's what me a fight for, you know. Because some man say them artists are coming out of the business, they're not doing any shows. They're not touring, they're not traveling, but them have art songs. So these are part of the things that we have mash up the culture too. Artists, if you don't come in the business and so on artists, come be an artist, bro. And stop the behind computer and iPhone and social media.
So you have something to prove?
I would say yes. It's true, I'm always out of the country and always waving the flag all over the world. You know, I have to wake up my fans and make them remember who is Charly Black. This rhythm that Troyton have is what dancehall is missing. Because this song, from Boom Boom Plate, About It Tuesday, it never stops. You can see every girl song play, and no girl no go on bad until them hear that song. When that song they play, it's done.
Bubble for me, girl, bubble for me. Bubble. Take your time and bubble for me.
What Passa Passa used to be like, what Blase used to be like, when girls get mad, and this is what it's about.
Yardie is the sound for the summer.
She said she love Yardie, cause we article, we full of vibes, plus me know if we talk to girl. Her man daddy like a funeral, so a black veil she got on.